pressure below 12,000, temperature 20 Celsius, dew point 4, altimeter 3004, remarks. Density altitude 6,700.
Attention Longmont traffic, avoid midfield overflights while skydiving is in progress.
Longmont traffic, sky lane 3123 Quebec, taxi runway 29 for departure, Longmont traffic. Yeah, I'm cleared to the right. There's my dad, we're clear with him.
Yeah.
Longmont traffic, sky lane 3123 Quebec departing, runway 29 for the south, Longmont traffic. Alright, Hills to 4, full power. Airspeed's a lot, rotate.
Traffic speed on X-ray,
I'll fly a little square here and just get a little cool view for the camera, and then we'll head to the south.
Okay. Are you just doing a circle?
I'm just doing a circle,
Okay.
yeah. I'm doing a 180 or 360. I want to get a picture of Boulder here. Alright, I'm gonna descend down to 8,500 so I can get under the airspace.
Okay.
Denver approach, Skylane 3123 Quebec, VFR request.
Skyline 3123 Quebec, go ahead.
Skylane 3123 Quebec, type Cessna 182, 7,500, 10 to the east of Alpha Papa Alpha, with like VFR flight following to India, Charlie Tango.
Skyline 23 Quebec, radar contact 10 west of Centennial, 7,500, traffic 12 to 1 o'clock, 4 miles northeastbound, 8,100 indicated.
Position and altitude checks, looking for the traffic, 23 Quebec.
I see.
Mike Tango, maintain VFR check.
Where?
Price road, no separate services provided. Maintain VFR, and can we request
Right there.
Okay.
Like, straight ahead of us.
Okay, got it.
Maintain 9,000.
Go that way.
Yeah, I see him.
2 Mike Tango, you can maintain VFR for the practice approved at 28. 23 Quebec, traffic 2 o'clock and 3 miles, maneuvering LP 8,400.
We're looking for the traffic for 23 Quebec. You got him in sight.
Yeah, I see him.
23 Quebec has traffic in sight.
Thanks. November 3123 Quebec, contact Wichita approach 126.7.
126.7 for 23 Quebec. Wichita approach, Skylane 3123 Quebec, level 9,600, information Juliet, full stop.
Skylane 313, correction 3123 Quebec, Wichita approach. Advise when you have information Juliet, enter right base, runway 19 left, maintain VFR at or above 3,500.
Alright, we'll set up for right base for 19 left, maintain VFR at or above 3,500, and we do have Juliet for 23 Quebec.
23 Quebec, thank you.
Fox 03 turning inbound.
03, Roger. Cessna 23 Quebec, approach.
23 Quebec.
2 runway 14, enter straight in runway 14.
Straight in runway 14 for 23 Quebec.
Cessna 23 Quebec, thanks for your help. Citation traffic, 4 mile final, 19 left with an Aztec out to the east that follows them. Additional traffic, 15 mile final to 19 right, text and contact tower 118.2. Have a good day.
Alright, we're looking for the traffic and contact tower 118.2. Have a good one for 23 Quebec.
03, do not exceed 170 knots.
Start tower, Cessna 22980, holding short 19 left at Alpha 2, ready.
Cessna 2290, Wichita Tower, Roger, hold short 19 left at Alpha 2, landing dry.
Hold short, 90.
Tower, Skyline 3123 Quebec, setting up for 14, full stop.
Skyline 3123 Quebec, Wichita Tower, good afternoon, runway 14, clear to land.
14, clear to land for 23 Quebec.
Skyhawk 980, runway 19 left at altitude, line up and wait, traffic landing 14.
Line up and wait, runway 19 left, Cessna 980.
I've got the runway made.
Wichita Tower, Booty, 71. Victor's ready to go, 100 left, altitude.
77144 Victor, Wichita Tower, Roger, hold short 19 left, altitude.
Yeah, hold short for Victor. And Tower Sierra Golf, you want us over to ground?
Aztec 1 Sierra Golf, affirmative ground point niner, have a nice day.
Over to ground point niner, 61 Sierra Golf, good day.
Skyline 23 Quebec, you could roll off to the end or 180 back to Bravo, your choice.
We'll roll off to the end for 23 Quebec.
23 Quebec, very well, left turn at the end, ground point niner, have a nice day.
Left turn at the end, ground point niner. Have a good one for 23 Quebec.
Skyhawk 980, fly runway heading 19 left, altitude, clear for takeoff.
Runway 19 left, clear for takeoff, Cessna 90, runway heading.
24 Victor, 19 left, Alpha 2, line up and wait.
Yep, you hold short Alpha, 15 Charlie Victor, and appreciate you giving us the most American squawk ever.
That's number 5 Charlie Victor, no problem.
Ground Skyline 3123 Quebec is at Echo 2. We need to get back to Signature Aviation.
November 3123 Quebec, Wichita ground, taxi to parking via Echo Bravo Alpha.
Taxi to park via Echo Bravo Alpha for 23 Quebec.
Ground Conquest 815, Sierra Bravo's at Yingling with Kilo ready for taxi.
November 5 Charlie Victor, runway 19 left, taxi via Alpha.
19 left via Alpha, 5 Charlie Victor.
Last calling for taxi, say again.
Conquest 815 Sierra Bravo at Yingling with Kilo ready for taxi.
Conquest 815 Sierra Bravo, Wichita ground, runway 19 left, taxi.